I think the Pennsylvania Environmental Council is seen as a reasonable, rational voice that cares about the environment without disregarding the economy of Pennsylvania. So I think that's important. I think that gives credibility, and I think that will, that's very helpful. I think there's an opportunity for the Pennsylvania Environmental Council to be like the honest broker, because they have credibility, not just with environmentalists and tree huggers like me, but also with business and industry, that the Environmental Council can do a lot to change hearts and minds in Pennsylvania and convince Pennsylvanians that we should spend money to get better water quality or spend money to get better land or whatever. I think the Pennsylvania Environmental Council brings together a very reasoned and rational approach that would work well in educating the public on these issues.